Una pa. Isa. Supalpal. Fast break ngayon, number 2.
Number 2.
Fire. Basket.
Number 7.
Number 6 to number 9. Holding the ball. Pass inside. Sakto. Pinag-point pa ni Idol. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng Ilocos Norte at San Fernando City. And here's a jump ball. And here you go. First ball possession for Team Ilocos Norte. Launch a 3. No good. Rebound San Fernando. Pass inside. Reverse layup. Pen basket for good. First rebound. Lays up. Wala. Rebound put back and basket is good. Number 10. Fade away. Bunny! And dribbling the ball. Number 11. Attacking the rim. Kick out. Wide open for 3. No good. And here's number 2. Open for 3. Wala pa rin. Tataldagi. Spin move. Nakalusot. Too strong. Number 7 is there. Put back shot. Basket and 1. Aquino for the inbound. Looking for receiver. Pass it to number 6.
10 seconds to shoot.
And 10 seconds to shoot. Stop for 3. Bang! Off the window.
3 points.
And here's number 2. Crossover. Attacking the basket. Straight to... Rebound. Napulot ang bola.
Number 7.
Number 7. Long pass, maagawan dito ang bola. And 2 versus 1, diretso ni Liza. And
number 2.
Basket, the lucky pass. To number 10, chest pass. Natapikan sa likod. Mag-aagawan ngayon. At pinasa 2 versus 1. Pinasa fake. Ang gandang peke. At the finish, tinignan pa.
Number 12.
Maagawan. 12 open for 3. Air ball. Number 2. Nadali si Idol. And easy basket. And that's the end. And setting the ball.
10 to 2.
Number 1, sidestep Filipino move off the glass. Wala. Rebound pick, put back shot, and the lucky bounce. And Asuncion for the inbound to number 5. Between the legs dribble, didiskarte, aatake. May ipit yung bola at may iwan. Mapukuha ng Team Ilocos Norte. Number 3 is here. And pass to number 1. Fakes. Sa gilid, open for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. And number 2, Asuncion. Matatapikan dito ng bola. Pass break ngayon. 3 versus 1. Pineke. Sayang. And here's Team San Fernando. Pinasa, pick, fire. Money and the friendly roll for Team San Fernando. And it's number 5. Fakes, number 9. Sa salida. Pinasa sa loob. Wala. Number 11, sa gitna, libreng-libre si Asuncion and basket good. And here's Ilocos Norte, basketball. Atake, lays up. Supalpal. And 9 seconds to shoot. Number 4.
5 to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. Number 6, floater shot. Basket is good. And natapikan. Na-recover. And here's number 9. Pinabitin pa. Yes, sir. Number 6, holding the ball.
4 minutes.
4 minutes to play. Sa 3. Bang!
Number 4. 3 points.
Number 6 to number 9. Holding the ball. Pass inside. Saktong-sakto.
Number 10.
Tinakboard pa ni Idol. 22 to 18 ang score natin mga Idol. And San Fernando City up by 4 to number 3. 4-3. Bang!
Number 6.
Punta!
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
And here's number 3, 40 Ilocos Norte. Adjust pass to number 12. Step back for 2. No good. Oh, ang gandang pati na sa pa ni Idol. And that's
Number
for
8.
good.
Change table.
Pass. And big favor tayo mga Idol.
San Fernando City.
Pass inside. And change favor ulit. And here's Team San Fernando. Kick out. Fakes. Pull up J. No good. Oh, hindi ko alam kung sinong nakashoot. And here's the backdoor inbound for Team Ilocos Norte. And number 6, pass to number 12 at the mid-range, fires for 3. Off the mark, rebound, steal for Ilocos Norte at the middle, floater shot, basket is good.
Number 4.
And it's Team San Fernando, behind the back dribble, matatapikan dito,
45
and saving the ball.
seconds.
Fast break na yun. And basket is
Number 12.
good. And James Favor tayo
James
mga
Favor.
idol. Oh, matatapikan ulit. Oh! And it's so. And that's pass back to number 12, setting the play. Di diskarte, atake, kumaldag, supalpal. Cross pass. Number 12.
10 seconds.
Oh, butata. And baseball pass.
5
Number 2,
seconds.
5 seconds. Ooh! Nasinaga sa mga idol. Pass. Big.
10 to shoot.
And set to shoot. Binabitin. Wala. Pass break ngayon. Number 2. Oh.
Number 2.
And number 9. Number 11. Umangka. Tumira. Oh, that's good for 2. Number 11. Kick out. Ginaliwa. No good. Sa 3. Bang! Goal na. Basket is good. Spins, fire. Basket.
Number 7.
Fast break ngayon. Undong bento dulo. Oh, easy basket. Sinabi.
Number 11.
Number 9. Dinasa. Fires. Oh,
Number 3.
nagpakaawa. Number 11, cross pass. Tumira, basket and
Basket is a
one.
foul.
And it's number 2. Sakto yung bata pero di pumasok mga idol. Rebound, put back and we'll finish. Maaga ulit. Number 11, Filipino move, fires, wala. Rebound, put back, too strong. Uy!
Number 12.
Diretso, kinaliwa.
Number 3.
seconds to play on the third quarter. Number 9. Oh, ang gandang pasa nun. Ooh, and the finish. 13.7 seconds. Lumusot, tumira, wala. Rebound. Pull up J. Basket is good. Number 12 for the inbound. Attacking the basket. Kick out. Sa gilid. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Big. Tumira. Off the glass. Basket is good. Sa 3. Number 12. Bang!
3 points.
Big. Number 12. Pass inside. Alley-oop pass. Tinira. Oh, eksaktong eksakto. Uy! Shit! Yari. Uy. And he's in Ilocos Norte to number 9. Pass to number 12, dribbling the ball. Sa gilid, sa 3. Bang! Bullseye! Bound. Number 9. Tuloy-tuloy. And basket.
Number 9.
Cross pass. Number 3, holding the ball. Number
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds.
alley-oop pass. Uy, that's a good. And bounce pass to number 12. Spin. Dalawan. Tumalsik yung dalawa. Number 12, cross pass. Wide open for 3. Fires. Bam! Bullseye!
Number 12. Number 10.
And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Ilocos
Final score,
Norte.
Ilocos Norte, 65